Yere kase na kogwa wie no na de adru so no eye ensem ahodo a etwa gude obonkwata ahodo emu afekwa no ye online portal no myjoyonline.com adomonline.com ensem ahodo ya to yembo ase akuchire ku horomo na yebebo so ama wo sora no pa we ye gbogbo so ma wi a fa phone no a wo tekra mu kra bia na okra wo bia frifie tekra mu anu anso wa logi ense adomonline.com se ma wo hono mu nyina no obenya bi na wakenkan kwasinsia so ya krado na ye fia da boja ye ensa bonkum hyede betom no hu ne se ye wia ne ne fufu ansu a wache besu enya agoro kranti kwasi
adwa
ene fufu ansu a wache besu
ene mi ne hwe nam de mi efunu to
de
mi efunu to
de na aba
de bia na metimi edidi sa
okay
metimi efunu ko
man shall not live by bread alone.
Yes.
Okay.
So bia osmosis ne PR mo betimi FD H3 555
so mono so for ne na be de H3 yes jo mo na etwa fasting na ma wo
mi an betwa
one we twa ma
e de be come
okay
I just say bia she
o nyame adom di be ebo
so mo hu na so mo na se ka fe pa
se mo ko no sa na mo hu se mama wa chen wo
okay nti
ko mo for full shot e be too obvious se kwasi etietia yes ebe too obvious baby so am woro mo okura me tete be ye but enti be nye peso sa
ele efiada
na ebuja
ne na je ebuja o kina me da o kina na MPP am yoko nipa be se 900 ekoto aba na waso ni nipa du so amana ka enum na on the 4th of November over 200,000 plus the 900 no mo be to ochina no akwa decide who leads the new patriotic party to 2024 election. Obreakons mukan se na mi machine na mse so yemashim
2024
enya de ketua kra who leads NPP enya adwuma ketua sebeye hwan the over 200,000 delegates NPP for amomu to be so mbechire nipa obedi
omanyoko no nim
omuna on the 4th of November omo bechire
ba wo chena de ne de omo koto aba asone ni padu a ayi wo muti no eso na aka say enum na ombeche pepe
enum be free mo
na aka num ti num ni mo na ne bosomi bie mu no
yes na in November
no okay say that's August
okay etiam say eto we ni wi a bosomi be se mienu ne fa entem September October
aba
asana besa bosomi enum be ne nakakra
okay
na for mo the main one na
eye ne ye be kire ba ko a
eno be kire se why na ekwa ko face 2024 ako break 8 no
domdi ni kwashia apalu domdi kwashia mampanyi dada mahama
do CPP ni po beba PNC ni po beba PPP ni po beba ekwero ko be saba so eti enya bato kese amyekonu woni makese pass
yes enti o china so ye unim say dey your election headquarters
o chine dey ginam
from
say dey beka mamanfo tete free ekonyamafo agye say your election headquarters kokomoti power there eno ane ha na ntrotwa enim ye mpre ho nka asem
ye ka no say dey tie yes
ye election tino
ye gada ye fact so ansan dia ko yentu me kan san twetsa we are too big for that
eti election headquarters wachina
thank you
yes me wachina ne kwase mnya kwa komo mumbo
enki entwe nanka
bi mo mumbo se we ye defense we the second eno ase so na so no nipa 5 nya ni nipa 5 but at least ebi so pese ye bobona
ohunu se
why na di superdelegate congress no enkonim
okay
na percentage do se no di enkonim
no
because they believe say a benya reflection on November 4th.
Okay.
Abanom cotton. Because obo moto abane dudu ni nyina ye elective officers. Ye patrons ni ade na. Dudu na ye elective officers. Obi so eto abade yi ni bia ni padodo na eto abade yi no. And say ni padodo be to aba on November 4th.
Sir.
It be feel say ochina ba ton sunsanso no. One year there betimi nya sunsanso bi wo November so
okay.
Baby so feel say the first time to aba ma as chairman of my region, my constituency. Does it mean say so person me see what I mean so me
tonko obi ana na dwen okay
ti about to say November 4th why na be the NPP am yoko no eni madwa
Yanko your online portal no adomonline.com opanyi jombodu ne ekosi senso and wodin semi su dwa kyerese omanfo dodo no adi ya wa manyokuo ni mu say the job for the boys no say enta nkosa ase didija ne yado so do kyerese wosrada eno de wo ho den so obi anya botere sanse party din to me and solve obi a problem at go kakra we will say it's stressful. I am tired.
Sorry. Obeko jombodu asmo can yes. I'm so kind of baby class I coach them say. Se part ni credit finchia oha ewa apanya so a. Ain't been solve part
problem.
No credit but can be bedroom.
Nse nya asem nyina na ye no kre nso nya asem nyina de ka.
If se sanity there when it's election go with the people and bet me sort them out. Because they do election there you call all hands on board.
Na mu wie na sorting na ekoso de amosi.
Na be catch them say di fin show hakra ntimi sort obi ade. E go pani. And they do election man for mo bet me sort o man kwanko. Your party adwuma na man for you. The main reason for forming a political party is not to just nye fanfare, to win political power. And to benefit from the sweat.
Thank you. Or for more pushy for the political power.
So power ne dem send this for bisa your mama. Share open power.
Enough for.
Ne deno. It will be a tepentenkwa to make sure say NPP will be in power. Now be catch the party didn't for sure how create me so to be out.
Nti when na wasa won so mu anida ho na hu ni say bi omo obi mfa wonya dwuma hunu. Ye wo mo election nti omo nsa ba ko atwa. Obi election nti ne nan ba ko, obi election nti nani ba ko. Nti ewie ne ka kire wo say edi mfie wo hakora me obi a na ebetimi asote na adwene won wabusu ya.
Eni nti say wo person mo kan sa de a ene sa mfinshi o ha no mo betimi asote o mat mo fo mo nko
na ye omo mo betimi asote o mo trafie nwene o mo ho
no say yes ye de nka
no mo say kuayo no mo
nya sansam ne keka eba ya mo nya bi di ye de mo ye okay
so mama yo mo fo ya kase
se fo soldiers do mo nipadua beto nom
obi asomo mo
I don't know. Say the end say he believe Lord Yabajua. Or believe in Nanado Danko Kufado.
We penny say
believe in NPP say. Obet me deliver.
Or say Obia.
And so far so be asoneso.
Indirectly.
Open uba ya wunya bidi and ya o catch and say. Open me bet me asorto.
On somehow.
Ba me me chira me te painting call quiet brain to ase no. Me be party different show akra intimi so.
Or say.
No, say
indirectly what chira mo say Obia ansoma o mo nkuru ntudwuma. Enti dwene wona wo yere ne wo mba ho. It's as simple as that. Because Juman dia wo be ye no grounds but obi be di no soro ho.
Munya isa de.
Enti kopim so be du soro ho obi wo kwa fa so jisika ni.
Munya isa de no. Mo de yaudie hye grassroots no.
E di jaso ani muna ne.
Yes, mo de yaudie because ye ka pa nkurase se kwa na jombo du ko ye.
I say it's stressful. I'm tired. Obebrala. We done by residents chase government over deplorable road. That's what bre. What did you have bre? I say it's stressful. I'm tired. Bre. We done by residents so do say o makwanye. It's year of roads no gusu ekoswo de de. Abane meye wonom Adom. Don't allow yourself to be remote controlled. NDC MP no ani post for kasa say mo kwan emu bia anya say remote be a channel say baby obe mi aso no eno na odi juma na ye nua ba Miss Bonche na owo ye na we said odi video abeto na baby girl sweet baby girl na efepa ye nim say ne entertainment ho enti mambo atma ba oberam ti we ne se ba hodo bi ne online portal no eguso ye nkoda obo nkrata no emu
daily guide celebrate Adom for saving economy Kwamena Duncan former Central Regional Minister also sabrin ki to party
ama
afufuto de kosua to so de nwo kakra
pete so
e de ama Bank of Ghana kati aguso
twitwa je ne
o se kati kwado me ayam de bikura no etwim
o se momoni kom
na wia de kakra pete so
na wo twitwa springo ni aguso
no garnish no
ne de ama hwan
Adom Bank of Ghana governor it's as na daruma and economy
I save okay
Kwamena Duncan 2 Nigerians caged for trafficking 11 victims. NPP super delegates confirm. Ashanti constituency chairman route for Baumia delegates barred from displaying cast ballot. Comes to the picture of Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Maslow closes Bako office over safety. Baby rescued from Achimota forest. Daily guide. The Daily Statesman. Or the peniful do ya pre mampeni dibre franka tubre ewo NPP amyukom efoni aba
10 ni nyina
wa hye ne se ne ya hye ballot paper so
okay
akompre ko Kennedy ohene Japan
number 1
John Allan Kojo Chirematin
number 2
Joe Gatti
number 3
Kojo Poku
number 4
Dr. Owusu Efriye Akoto
number 5
incoming president of the Republic of Ghana.
Was it
Dr. Owusu Efriye Akoto asem na meke.
Na say no question e so kra bi.
Me say incoming president of the Republic of Ghana.
Na so woni mu
Ghana nyamuye. Ghana nyamoye.
Ti wonnim bre be si e wona fe.
Nyame wo bre ode ye na ade nyina.
Ya so bia
sabeka ne de. Bom prenu. Da ko bia.
Okay.
Kwabena Eje Japan.
Number 6.
Francis Ade Nimo.
Number 7.
Kofi Kunadu Apreku.
Number
Doctor
8.
Wachi Ejako.
Number 9.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Okay.
Who play in the top 5? As Mbisa Nobisa. NPP super delegate decide on aspiring flag bearers tomorrow. ECG settles debt to IPPs. Ghana's TVET qualification framework best in Africa. Kwame Duncan, Bank of Ghana Governor, deputies deserve commendation. The Daily Statesman. The Inquisitor. War over doctorate degree. Amwakoba stings Aduchum. NPP Superdelegates Congress tomorrow. Loud victory for DMB. Sami Auku predicts. Ministry of Finance is party responsible for Bank of Ghana's mess. Sektepe states. Premise automation launch at Ermina on August 29, 2023. Adesi must personally receive our petition. Minority. Comes the picture of Dr. Kese Ato Force, minority leader. The Chronicle. I'm going to hear you, man. On the 3, no, you make qualify 5 in the naba.
Hey.
John Allan Kojo Chirematin.
Okay.
Kwabena Japan.
Okay.
Dr. Owusu Efriye Akoto.
Okay.
And what the mampeni abedechire Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia efoni ewasia.
Na Kenway.
Kenfoni nim.
Okay.
Akoto to delegates, show me your love.
Okay.
So Kaisa mean.
Yes.
Who make the 5 Moro? UK rating agency puts Bawumia ahead of Alan Akoto. Japan's follow in tow. Baptist church members holding positions are not corrupt. Ghana Baptist Convention president. Automation of supply. Distribution of premise fuel ready. The Chronicle. Daily Analyst. NIA resumes registration exercise for first-time applicants. I want to bid Yoko as a collaborative office. Mame Tiwa. NPP Special Electoral College. Who will be among the lucky 5? Bawumia Kene Japan Alan tipped. 27 GJ awards launched. Bank of Ghana's recovery. Ghana police commended over alternative route for picketers following security concerns. Daily Analyst and the publisher. And I ready area. Or the Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia Foni Abba Oni Fitem. Will MPP truly use and dump Nodna on court? Bawumia. John Mahama's 2016 tribal prophecy put to test tomorrow. Alan's campaign team, we can't defend NPP's records. The new publisher. Ena ekani say.
Abusiano na said obon kwata de mu nsem afa online portal so nsem ayewo no na ye de asomo ene ye fia dante ye kai we say we kan see beba ahosepe beba na Africa de meka no ye eish no asemi dika eno beba afa nkomo twetwe bi wa metena se me ye afi wan sana opagiri ni
ye na no hininto.
Thank you.
Former General Secretary of NPP.
Thank you.
Member of the John Allan Kojo Chiremate campaign team.
Thank you.
Ebedi Kumetwa against Ochinabato.
Yebasisia.